We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 623. Let's head on in. We're at the east end of the hallway. This is the top floor of this 6th floor building. We've just come down from the elevator and we're entering through the kitchen, which is on our right as we go into this apartment. You can see the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink, the microwave, the stove and oven, and there's cabinets both above and below that counter and a pair of drawers between the stove and the dishwasher. In this apartment, the bathroom will be across from the kitchen. Let's take a look in there. If you've seen the other videos, these bathrooms will all look the same. So we have that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity that does open for more storage underneath, the toilet, a small cabinet on the wall, racks for towels, light above, and all of the bathrooms will have a fan. As we go into the apartment, the next door on our right will be the closet. We'll take a look in there as we go by. So we've got a shelf hanging, and there's some good storage space here in this closet. The rooms will always have the same items. You'll see that dining table and chair, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, the full-size bed, the dresser. So the items will be the same in all of these studio apartments. The styles may vary from apartment to apartment, but the items will be the same things. Let's take a look out the window. You can see the air conditioner under the window. You can see our heater panel over there by the wall. It's important to not block your heater so that your heat can circulate freely in the cooler winter months here. And you can see we're on the Dryden Road side of the building, so we're facing north. This is the best view for people watching if you like to see what's going on in our Collegetown neighborhood. Over to our right, you can see the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block from campus at the center of our Collegetown neighborhood. So this is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment 623. We're in a north rectangle. We're on floor number 6 here in this building, and we are just located 1 block from campus.